Hello friends, welcome to today's session on arithmetic progressions. This video is the last part of the fourth question from exercise 5.1, page number 100, chapter 5, arithmetic progressions. So let's read the question. Which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write three more terms. So we have to find out whether this series is an arithmetic progression. If it qualifies to be an arithmetic progression, then we have to write the next three terms of this AP. So let's check the first series. We know the condition for arithmetic progression is D is equal to A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to A4 minus A3. So all these terms should be equal in order for the series to be an arithmetic progression. So let's calculate A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1 is equal to root 6 minus root 3. That is equal to root 3 into root 2 minus 1. Now A3 minus A2 is equal to root 9 minus root 6, that is equal to root 3 into root 3 minus root 2. A4 minus A3 is equal to root 12 minus root 9, that is equal to root 3 into root 4 minus root 3, that is equal to root 3 into 2 minus root 3. So clearly here we see that A2 minus A1 is not equal to A3 minus A2 is not equal to A4 minus A3. So this is not an arithmetic progression. This is not an arithmetic progression. Now let's move to the next part of the question. 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square and so on. Again we will put the condition D is equal to A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to A4 minus A3. Now let's find out the common difference D between these terms. A2 minus A1 is equal to 3 square is 9. 9 minus 1, that is equal to 8. A3 minus A2 is equal to 5 square minus 3 square, that is equal to 25 minus 9, that is equal to 16. A4 minus A3 is equal to 7 square minus 5 square, that is equal to 49 minus 25, that is equal to 24. So clearly here we see that A2 minus A1 is not equal to A3 minus A2 is not equal to A4 minus A3. So this is not an arithmetic progression. Why? Because the difference between two consecutive terms is not equal. So this is not an arithmetic progression. Let's move to the last part of this question. That is 1 square, 5 square, 7 square and 73 and so on. In order to check for this series whether this is an arithmetic progression, we have to verify this condition D is equal to A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to A4 minus A3. So what is A2 minus A1? That is 25 square minus 1 square, that is equal to 25 minus 1, that is equal to 24. Now A3 minus A2. A3 minus A2 is equal to 7 square minus 5 square, that is equal to 7 square is 49 minus 5 square is 25, that is equal to 24. Now A4 minus A3 is equal to 73 minus 49, that is equal to 24. Here we see that A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to A4 minus A3 and the common difference D is equal to 24. So this is an arithmetic progression. Now let's find out the next three terms of this series. So A5 becomes A4 plus common difference D. What is A4? A4 is 73. 73 plus 24, that is equal to 97. A6 is equal to A5 plus D. A5 is 97 plus common difference is 24. So 7, 4, 11. 9, 10, 11 and 12, 121. A7 is equal to A6 plus common difference D. What is A6? A6 is 121 plus 24, that is equal to 145. So the next three terms of this arithmetic progression are 97, 121 and 145, and the common difference D is equal to 24. Hope this is clear for you. You can refer to other videos for more solved questions in this exercise, and please leave your feedback in the comment section below. Until then, see you.